My name is Honorable Dr. Otto. I'm a political scientist. I'm a political philosopher. I am a lawyer. I have 16 questions for the Balalo as we are planning a fresh launch of Balalo Must Go campaign. But let's first have an academic and philosophical dialogue. I have 16 questions. You people are educated. We are also educated. We are not stupid. We have degrees, we have masters, we have PhD. We are probably more educated than some of you. So answer these 16 questions. Do you know that under Article 237 of the Constitution, there are 4 types of land tenure, and customary tenure is one of that type? Under Article 237. So, question 2. Why are you coming to our area and converting customary tenure to leasehold and to freehold? Why don't you amend the Constitution? Why are you coming to our area and converting customary land to leasehold and freehold? Question 3. In your mind, in your head there, you think an acre of land is 700,000 shillings? In your head. Is 700,000 shillings? 6 crates of beer, an acre of land? Is that normal? And yet in your area, an acre of land is 35 million. So you Balalos, in your mind, you think by buying land at 700,000 per acre is normal, is a normal sale? Question 4. Why is the traffic one way to our area? Is there anyone from other area also going to your area? Why is it a one-way traffic? Question 5. Why are your animals destroying our crops, the cassava, the sorghums? What happened to the directive of fencing the land? Question 6. Are you aware what happened to you people in Tanzania under President Kikwete? Are you aware what happened? You entered Tanzania with 1,000 cows and you came back to Uganda with 10 cows. Are you aware what happened in Tanzania? Question 7. Banyankole of Uganda. The Banyankole of Uganda. Are you aware the word Balalo is now embracing people from Rwanda, people from Congo, people from Burundi, and people from all over the region? They are all coming into Acholi land and claiming they are Balalo. And yet people think the Balalo are Banyankole, yet they are even Rwandese in Acholi land. Question 8. Do you people think President Museveni will be the last president of Uganda? That you are doing all these things you are doing to our people? Question 9. You people think we are stupid? We have been in the war for 23 years and we are just recovering from the war. And you come and take advantage of despondent people who are recovering from the war, and you say you are buying an acre of land at 500,000, which is the price of a blue label. Question 10. Do you want to make friendship with the regime or with the Acholi people? Because if you want to make friendship with the regime will go. The Acholi people will remain there. Question 11. Are you aware land is not like soap and sugar that you cannot carry it away like a blanket? It remains there. That you need the local community stakeholders? Question 11. What happened to the verification committee? The government appointed a verification committee. What happened to the report of the verification committee led by Honorable Akol? They are called now that today you have bought to join the NRM. What happened? Because we know commissions of inquiries and verification committees in political science is to buy time and make people forget. Are you aware we have not forgotten? Where is the report of the verification committee? Question 11. Are you aware Amin tried to remove land in Acholi using this same approach? And when his government ended, the land also ended and land titles were cancelled? Question 12. You think by appointing your people, the DPCs, the OCCIDs, the DSOs, you can continue violating the rights of people in land when the cows eat people's crops and our people impound the cows? Instead, it is the DPCs arresting our people and you people at large. Question 12 or 13. In all those dubious land sales, you have the LC1 signing. Is the LC1 a customary leader? Is the LC1 a customary leader or a government leader? So you think you have a valid agreement? Question 14. Customary land is clan land. You go and buy land from 2-3 people signed by the LC1 of the area. Is a clan, customary land is clan land. I am a clan leader. I am the chairman of Lamogide clan, leading 7,000 people. So did you bring the entire clans of Acholi to sign in those sale agreements? And you are walking in the forest with LCs, 5 people, buying a whole sub-county, 5 people, and you think that is customary land, where the cultural leaders consulted? Because in Acholi we have chiefdoms. We only have one paramount chief, but there are 54 chiefdoms. Did you consult all those chiefdoms and they put their signatures in those lands you claim you have bought? You have bought air. And stop buying air. You have bought air and stop buying air. For us, this is a political issue. We are going to mobilize our people in thousands, not to vote for President Museveni, in thousands, in millions. This is a political issue. Some of you may be saying this because I want votes. Yes, if we don't get votes because of these issues, what other issues can we use for mobilizing votes? This is a political issue pressing the Acholi people. If Balalo don't leave our lands, no votes. President Museveni, this recording, will have it sent to you. What happened to the verification committee? What happened to the issue of fencing land? What happened to the issue of creating water points? Why are your people destroying our crops? Our Acholis are not pastoralists. We are agriculturalists. We are peasant farmers. Why? Is this a colony? The position I talked with General Saleh needs a proper review, and you, Balalo, listen to me. You cannot buy customary land. But we can mobilize our people and we say those who have given money in land because it is their hard-earned money, we can turn it into a period of rental, that if that period expires, the land reverts back to the owner. That's a win-win situation which I presented to General Salim Saleh. We give you 2, 3, 4, 5, maximum 5 years. You fatten your cows, you recover your money, and you leave. You can never buy customary land. We don't want to have a civil war in Uganda. We want to use the law. And don't forget, this NRM government has destroyed all rebel groups in Uganda. All. Thank you very much. Over 20. Thank you, the mighty UPDF. But the ADF and LRA is still at large. They have not been obliterated. So we need to engage freshly, but we are going to mobilize our people in thousands. No votes if Balalos are in Acholi. No votes if Balalo is in Acholi. President Museveni took a stand, but his brother General Salim Saleh, who now has a residential status in Gulu, is the one that told me there is no way they could allow all these thousands heads of cattle to leave Acholi in a short period of time. So now, this is coming to 1 year. What has happened to the presidential directive on Balalo? With Balalo, no votes. With Balalo, no votes. With Balalo, no votes. Answer those questions and get back to us. Thank you.